cancer cells them while still inside the body. So ang ginawa ng scientists, they have a sugar molecule. It's basically carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. This is the nuclear part. You accelerate protons, you heat the oxygen, it converts into a fluorine. The fluorine is now radioactive, it shoots positrons that are harmless. But the compound called FDG behaves like a sugar. So if you inject that FDG into a patient, if the patient has cancer, the cancer cell will preferentially uptake that material. Matakaw siya, but then pumipitik na siya ng positrons. So kung meron pa ng positron emission tomography, malalaman mo exactly where it is. How big is a cancer? The distribution. Merong three-dimensional coordinates. So bibigay mo yan doon sa oncologist o sa surgeon. Sabi ng oncologist, ay pwede pa itong ma-operan. Yung surgeon, hindi manghuhula, alam niya kung saan ang hiwa. Kasi hindi niya nakikita yung cancer. Or ibigay niya doon sa radiation oncologist, let's put radiation doon lang, hindi sa buong katawan kasi may target ka. Then after a few months, checkin ulit, check mo ulit kung nandun pa. Alright? Ang problema sa PET CT scans, napakamahal. St. Luke's was the first of a cyclotron produced. They were charging 120,000 pesos per scan. Pang mayaman lang. Then two Korean companies, NKTI and I think Fairview, put up as a cyclotron, tapos naging 60,000 ng 40 pa. Mahal pa din. Hindi natin kaya ng ordinary. Kami ang nagli-lisensya ng PET CT scans, yung nuclear part. So sabi namin, paano ang papababaan yan? So we were thinking, if you have a big cyclotron that it just cooks, yung kasi FDG, half-life is only 1.5 hours. Pagkatapos 1.5 hours, panis na siya. So kung magluluto ka ng FDG, tapos may 3 kang PET scans, scan ka lang, bababa ang cost. And then DBM listened to us and approved it, and we have a building now, it's being built, the cyclotron has been purchased, it's been actually, and then pray that I have some problems with the building, but the money is there. DBM gave it directly to PNRI, not to the UST. Okay? If that's finished, hopefully we can lower the cost of PET CT scans. Hopefully to about 20,000. Okay, that's the objective. Okay. Kasi pag 20K baka, mas madaling i-manage, baka pwede pang ipa-charge sa PhilHealth kung may pera pa, nalubo sa eleksyon. Diba? Anyway, so yun yung objective. Tapos gagawa pa na, there are also other radiopharmaceuticals that need to be researched on. For dementia, for example, copper-64, may research parts yun. So, yun po ang mangyayari ito pag natapos yan, hopefully in 2 or 3 years. So, nuclear is not only about nuclear power, nuclear medicine. And you will see some of my colleagues here in the back, irradiation, si Hayden, mga Hayden manages our irradiation facility, the biggest earner, one of the biggest earners of PNRI. And then Lorna's team has done radiation induced processing that have some unbelievably good. Kayo na mag-explain ng mga products nila.